going to make a sock puppet, something like this one. So for mine I've used some pom-poms and some felt shapes, some wool, and there's some cardboard in the mouth, so just so you can work it. I'll take this one off and show you how to do it. So I'll just, before we start, this is just some other examples that you can have a look at and just go with whatever you think. You can make an animal or you can just go wild, do anything that you want. So you're going to need a sock, just drop my card, and some card to put in for the mouth. So we'll start with that piece first. So to get your mouth, you need a piece of card folded in half. Just put your fingers on and then go around and roughly a semicircle. And you just need to cut that out. And this is just going to be the mouth piece. So I'm just going to put that inside. So just any type of sock you've got, or any old sock. I'm just going to squeeze that in and push the sock into the mouth to make our little mouth. So for mine, this is what I've got. So I've got some card, you can cut some shapes out to make some ears, got some googly eyes, got some pom-poms, got some feathers, got lots of felt shapes and some wool. So you can just choose your own design to do anything you want, really. So I think I'll start with some hair for mine. So it's a bit much there, so I'm just going to pull a few strands off. Just going to tie that round, and then we can glue it on. I've just got some Pritt stick. You could maybe try PVA, or if you've got an adult to help you, you could maybe use a glue gun, but obviously you would need some adult help with that. I do think it might stick better with that. Some of mine have been falling off, so we're just gonna stick on there. You will need to let these dry once they're. I'll just try that and decide where I want my hair. Like so. Like so. And then on that one I've got put my eyes on pom-poms, but I think on this one I'll just put them flat on. So if you don't have any of the googly eyes, you can just use some cardboard in different sizes and stick those together to make the eyes and stick them on. Fiddly to get this sticking. And then I think a nose, I'm going to use a pom-pom for a nose. I could go with a nice bright pink one. So just lots of glue so it stays on. Like so. There we go. It's coming on already, so as I say, it does take a while to dry this glue. So then you can just continue on and do, you can either cut your own fabric shapes if you've got any old fabric, or just use card or paper, pipe cleaners, anything that you've got to hand, or some feathers would look nice as well. Just whatever you want to, really. Just continue on till you're happy with it. As I say, this is my finished one, so just make yours and wherever you're happy with. So if you'd like to, you can send us a picture. So just look at our Facebook page and it'll tell you where to send them.